Yeah. So today, this is Sanjay Agarwal. I'm here at the Taiwan Expo. This is about the products, medical products. It's about office products. So we have this gentleman. They are from CAT 5, and they represent Ever. As you see, this product on my right hand side. So you can introduce yourself, and you can talk about Ever and what product you told me.
Okay, so my name is Sushil Chandra, and I'm from Cat5 Broadcast. We represent Ever in India, and this is our video conferencing video bar, which is a 4K video bar with audio tracking capabilities. So if you have a room size of, let's say, 25 by 20 feet, so you can use this camera, and it's an all-in-one camera. So you can see the speakers on the both side, the central dual camera for audio tracking of the speaker tracking. Whosoever speaks, camera will track him, and then it has microphone on both the sides.
Is it being
array of
recorded?
a microphone.
The camera, the video is being recorded on a hard disk.
Yeah, you can record
Okay.
because you know you need.
थोड़ा सा इसको focus करेंगे, फिर इस पे करेंगे, थोड़ा पीछे जाके.
Okay, so you need a basic app of a cloud app like meeting app, Zoom or
Everyone has its
Microsoft
own?
Team. No,
Anybody.
it's from Zoom and
इसमें
Microsoft
दिखाएंगे.
Team or a third party
Yeah.
apps.
इसमें आप थोड़ा करोगे तो आपका फोटो आएगा. वो कैमरा चल रहा है तो आपको रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है. वो इस पे कर रहा हो. एक क्लिक कर लेना still. It's a please go ahead.
So with the help of those meeting apps, you can do the conferencing.
What is the price
as well
of
as
this product?
tentative price is close to 2 lakh plus GST.
Okay, very reasonable.
Yeah.
Because
Because it's an
I don't want to
all-in-one.
name.
You
India
don't
में-
need anything else other than this. You need a monitor or display and a laptop.
And
That's
you have
it.
some other solutions in this?
Yeah, Ever has a long range of conferencing solutions.
Okay.
They
थोड़ा
have
सा बता दें दो चार.
Okay, so
90
so
seconds.
They have different categories of video bar for small room, huddle room, or medium room, or large room, and then they have PTZ cameras for conferencing again with tracking, not tracking facilities, with the speaker phone also, and now they are coming up with the phone 700 ceiling mount speaker phone which can track along with the camera.
Wonderful.
So audio, video all together.
So this product is being launched recently.
Yeah,
अभी आप लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं
this
इसको launch?
VV350 is launched 1 year back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how is the market in India? आप
Market
लोग-
is very
Who
good
are
for-
your like major customers?
Major customers are all the corporates, government.
They are boardrooms.
Yeah, their
Okay.
boardroom, conference room, meeting rooms,
Right.
and Ever has a very good market share in India.
Okay. And which particular state, if you talk, where do you have your maximum presence? Say in Delhi or in Andhra or in Bangalore?
If you had asked me this question, 7 years back, then I
Yeah.
could have said like we have a presence in this particular town also. But now, as on date, after 7 years, it's altogether, almost every major city, tier 1, tier 2
Okay.
city, have the presence of Ever in their boardroom and all.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल है, अगर आपको कुछ बताना हो,
Yeah.
नहीं तो what's kind of a turnover, the business turnover आपका, Ever and your, जो आपका CAT 5 है,
Right.
how much turnover are you doing it annually? Tentative figures roughly.
Tentative figure will be, Ever has close to millions of dollars.
Okay, lovely. So this is, and how do they rank internationally?
Internationally, US Ever has 70% share
Okay.
in
yeah.
conferencing market.
Because
so
आप
you
देख
can
रहे हैं
say
कि
like
Taiwan, yes.
Poly, Ever, and Logitech. These 2-3 brands compete in Indian market the mostly, and they are the top
I
brands.
know because Taiwan means they have internationally, they're present everywhere.
Right.
Europe and US, they have maximum presence. So thank you. You want to add anything about your today's जो event था उसके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
Okay, it's basically the launch of that Taiwan Expo press conference. But I would invite all the guests, all the particular business fraternity members to come down to the Taiwan Expo and have a feel of our products.
Yeah, what are the dates for that?
It's probably 8, 9, 10.
Because I missed that initial event.
I need to see, but
no, we'll check it. We'll put it.
yeah,
there.
it's in July, 8, 9, 10th.
Great.
If I'm
So thank you. This is Sanjay Agarwal signing off with Vinay Mishra. Thank you.